Hello, let's discuss about line and angle in today's class. This is a basic foundation of geometry and utmost focus and understanding needs to be given. The first topic that we learn today is line segment. What is a line segment? The part of a line that connects two points is called a line segment. You have a small activity. Take a piece of paper, mark any 2 points A and B, join them in as many ways as you like. Now, the line segment has 2 endpoints. It can be measured because of the 2 endpoints. The line segment is denoted by AB or BA. Moving on to the next topic that we now learn is called a line. What is a line? Imagine that the line segment from A to B is extended beyond A in one direction and beyond B in the other direction without any end. This is nothing but a line. Since we cannot draw an indefinitely long line, we mark arrow notations on both sides to show that it will go on. This line is denoted by AB. This is also called as a straight line. Remember, the difference between a line segment and a line is that there are no endpoints in a line, whereas a line segment has endpoints. Now, next topic is a ray. A ray is a part of a line that has a fixed starting point but no endpoint, just like a sun ray. Now you have an activity. Mark any 2 points A and B on a sheet of paper, join them in as many ways as you like, and add the arrowhead only on one end. Now this becomes a ray. Remember, this is very helpful in understanding our next topic, which is angles.